NAB 2025, and I'm here speaking to Adam on the NETINT stand. How are you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
Good. Absolutely brilliant. Been a good NAB.
It's been a good NAB. It's been busy. It
Good.
started a bit slow, but then, now it's been really picking up. Yeah.
So we're going to talk. You're going to tell me a little bit about a new partnership.
Yes, that is correct. So we're partnered with a company called NETINT that provides VPU cards. So that's an accelerator to make it possible to transcode streams and make it more efficient. So you can do bitrate compression, you can do overlays, and a bunch of other stuff. And the cool things with the VPUs is they are very, very efficient. So both from a cost point of view, but also from what they can perform. So it's a huge and big opportunity for us and them to do this partnership.
So look. Yes, there's hardware, of course, but this is a hardware product. You're putting it into a software environment.
Yes, correct. It's a hardware product that we're embedding into our software Nimbra Edge platform in order to, we're famous for our transporting solutions.
Absolutely.
And this is a way of making processing of those transport possible. So yes, we've embedded their product in order to be able to do these type of extra features.
So in real terms, how does that present? If this is a product that sits on the premises that at the end of the pipe,
yes,
so to speak?
Well, that's the cool part. It can sit anywhere on the pipe. That's the way we're seeing it. So you can do it on the input side, you can do it on the output side, you can actually do it in between as well, due to our software having it embedded. So depending on the use case you have and what you want to achieve, you can do the transcodes anywhere. And as we see it, it's also actually pretty cost efficient not having to use the cloud all the time, because using cloud and using GPUs there becomes really expensive unless you sign up for like a 3-year agreement.
Yeah.
Here you can do it on an occasional use, and that saves you a lot of time and money. So that is, the key to this. So yeah.
So have you already identified some interesting use cases? Have you got it out there?
Yes. So the big use cases for us is when you have one transport stream, you want to distribute it to different parts of the world, and you might have to do frame rate conversion, or you might have to do bitrate compression. This can easily be done at the edges so that you get the specific need for the specific taker by using these cards.
And without using, cloud GPU, without using expensive cloud services.
Correct. So we've seen a cost savings for up to 60-70%. So it's a huge cost saving compared to having a GPU. And the cool thing is that they're also looking at implementing this VPU in the cloud and still having those cost efficiencies in the Akamai solution.
I have to say, there's a definite trend towards that.
Yes.
Using the cloud for what it's good for.
Yes.
Combining it sort of hybrid.
Yes, it's hybrid, and I think as we see the business evolving, we're going to have to find these different workflows depending on the actual needs. And what we've seen, it's almost a conscious way of making it a little bit more democratic as well, so you can do it wherever. The cloud is not always what's available to everyone, so being able to do it in either cloud or on-prem, that's key, I think, to the business in the future.
So you're delivering now, or
it is delivered now?
It is delivering now. If they haven't come to see you at the show, where do we send them afterwards to find out more information and book an appointment and come and see you?
NETINSIGHT.net is the easiest way to do it.
NETINSIGHT.net. Thank you very much, Adam.
Thank you.